Hey guys, this is Jerry with Mafia. Today I'm just sitting outside playing a little guitar. I got my slides out. I got the store-bought and chrome one. It's probably a $5 slide. And I was playing around with that a little bit. It's a little bit lighter weight, a little bit thinner sounding. I also have a deep socket from a ratchet set. Now this one in particular is a 3/4 inch. Fits nicely right on my pinky. I can put it on my index finger, but it feels like I could go a little bigger with my index finger. But I personally like to play with my pinky finger for a slide. There's a reason behind that. And that is that I can play chords and then just switch immediately to slide. Now, today I'm using a little Marshall portable amp. They're pretty nice. They're only about $100. They're nice for playing outside. You can just hook right into them and hook it right through your belt also. So that's nice. Just sits right on your side like this. You can walk around anywhere you want and play it. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. The deep socket versus a store-bought and $5 one. And I think this one actually sounds better, just because of the extra weight on it. Alright guys, thanks for watching Mafia.